Yashase, esi hemobano, and it so wakokrabe di, abroasono, ubedidi. The Udo Bia, say ya bro, say ya more, say ya beans, say ya toast, the Udia Biano, Abjahasa with the OCP fertilizers and a bepeto, no by any in so your OCP NPK 15 and your OCP NPK 10 with Jasua, Nina Yajatum, na Ebukia 4 pa, baby a tonto agrochemicals, the men in Asono, Ubenya B ato 0555 909437 0555 909437 and a 0555 909433. Now ne OCP Ghana Limited in penning for a bo and come war woman as some cinema and ope baby a will be ano yet me a banny about some woman in sign and I abo malibia bogabs and for your breath nothing some no young common casa and fa and mamo yet the more chassis Eddie Freeman penny Nanado Danko Kuford watchman PSC Bema Boda Natsana ye na Gadaman penny the foot to our comments and chef for see a bob where home near lazy boot to a mium aquacoto about for your Duma December Bosome ne so ensu no no ye hwese yen samwa ye de ebeto montene so no ebe yen samwa ye wonyina so sense be kwakọ ebusire mu ka ene me na mete ne kane ena me na me kwakọ kane kane no ekobasa na kwan bi so mayi ya somdwe ye democracy no ene ye kwakọ se no mampeni ede sansa mitu jawabra emperimfo bo dwa won krapompene mantemu a Ghana Journalists Association ku no ntie makomako edioso num nie ene koi eba asase so na omo ebodwa ede asefa Bonsam Chefo Abaso and a man Penedia Futui, a man Sam Chefo.
Back on the role of the media over the past 75 years, we must pay particular attention to its contribution to our electoral process. Elections are the bedrock of any democracy, and the media is the lifeblood that sustains them. Every 4 years, Ghanaians go to the polls to choose their leaders, and in that process, the media plays an indispensable role. It is through your work that citizens are informed about the policies of political parties, the integrity of candidates, and the issues that matter most to their lives. The responsibility of the media during elections cannot be overstated. You have been at the forefront, monitoring the polls, reporting on potential irregularities, and ensuring that the voices of the electorate are heard. The peaceful transitions of power that we have seen in Ghana are in no small part due to the diligence and integrity of the media. But the times are changing. In this digital age, we face many new challenges: disinformation, misinformation, fake news, and sensationalism that can distort the electoral process. While the technology has democratized information, it has also created new vulnerabilities.
Observant we a man penny and Ado Danko Kuford in Yatin can we a Ghana Journalists Association Kuno a year or more Abasubuju Media, a course one crapumpeman temono de Sansami, a tuja, na ansua Albert Kwabna John 4 and some Chofu Kuba time Ghana Journalists Association Kuno Dano, se president or not so, a futu coma, man penny and Ado Danko Kuford the Adisretu name, se baby or many ababe drew a galamsey and some semno, when yaman your sem. When you MPP ni NDC sem sene man peni be dia de kane wode de man peni akonya eto so se no na obeya magana fo agya akonya na free nsem obeye no obesere man peni se akaba eboso miensa na odnadwuma baweye se man peni ogire di so obetima ye wonso icon ewo galamsey no ho na se nkebe ya kra be bia Ghana nsuo tenefa bia ene ye kwaya hodo mu nyina no kwasi brune kan se state of emergency no yemfa bia enkoto no mo na yentia sojafo no hweso ne yenwe na into a galamsey na say ora Albert Kwabna John 4 adesre eni.
President, the father of the nation, made a firm vow to stop galamsey, but regrettably that promise has not been fulfilled. Mr. President, you are barely 3 months until the end of the administration, and we are hopeful that you will deal with the situation before you leave office. We still maintain that a state of emergency must be declared over our water bodies and all planned and active mining concessions overlapping with river buffers should be abrogated, and all mining activities within 100 meters buffer of all rivers and streams should be halted with
Observora Albert Kwabna John 4 and a yepene kwanche for Wada Ghana and Semchefo Kubatan Ghana Journalists Association Kuna no and Odesan Semi Etoman Penin and Arudan Kwakuford Wenimuno we a Basubuki Medianoa a course on Crapumpeman Temnuna na Yentwason Famon Consem from Crobia Santeko Toko Hine up him so say to Tosum, you know, dance so dance so Tipeso Diepa a day a year and cra a money and this Yaman you compare for way I'm ran no. Ya wada ni fiada so Professor Gina no pokwa jimani and this yamanyo company for a kosra opim so a what mention him fee and a crop ya santeko toko hine and to and this yamanyo company for a koyenim se enye se bia ne nana po and answer the wafa se na po MPP for akwa yino se onye tuapemo and for my MPP amanyo kone Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na ama mention him fee nyina ababeye MPP for wo mo edi MPP echi crop ya santeko toko hine chese enye sa netie na ewom se ne nana ne yeyine de ne so omode omo eto no nyamanyosem na wono mo eye
Matthew na po ampasa nana no eno chese fi ha mato ama MPP anaso mato ama NDC na se na inshana mdiwe ma ona bibia wo ye no kwa ho brase ne rabasem no nyina fan zen boko na nyame no anenim du osi ne hene se nyame ensu nyina wontimi ni nyame se munni a munni nyame se mubedi a moye den a mubedi sa na eye nyame nhyehyɛ obia emfa botre na emfa mpa bonte che yenkuma ne yeye mo
Observe we a crobia Sante Kotoko Hino Pim so say to Tosum you way amra na Professor Gina no pokwa Germany and this yamanyo company fobinum akwako srano a woman share him fee and ode sansem we eto wo mo enim ye famo enko electoral commission impeding fortuna ye na omo edi atudwa se so don for ya dom na ketemada budwe moje die mafusa na ne antetin kabone bia na se jadum petutwadum pesu na we die teta we die so a ekina wo mo edi abato nkrata no voters register no a eze man so aba ho no omo ebeda ni nyina e de ama MPP ni NDC chesamanyuko awudo ni nyina omo e de bema wunum na afiso so ekuhudo a so esefata so omonsa kabie no omo e de ama wunum Dr. Bosman Asare eye penimpa be de echa wona hwa abato commission eye omudwumade so ode sansemi to jawabra na onensamtwefo edi nkomo na obobo enhyehye ya commission no e de egu akwam ye boaboe ho na yakwa akoto abai.
I indicated we are meeting the parties on Tuesday, and in that meeting, our IT team will be there. And each party is supposed to come with 2 representatives, and we have civil society also to be present in that particular meeting. So, in that particular, we expect that since this is more technical, if a party is bringing 2 persons, I expect that one of them should be a technical person. And the commission is going to do a presentation on all we have done on the voters register. Let me make this point clear. The register was given to the parties in 2020. The register was given to the parties again in 2023. So I know any party should have that. And we've again given the registers to the parties in 2024 for each district we've given to the parties. So what the commission is saying is that if you are a party and you have the capacity to know that what the EC has given to you is the right one or is not, once we finish this meeting and we give you the register, you should be able to know. For example, in 2020, going into the elections, we had almost 70,027,000 registered voters. In 2023, we added a little over 910,000 onto the register. And in 2024, we've added, in the first phase of the registration, we did almost 777,000.
For Dr. Bosman Asare penimpa be de chira woda abato commission no ano na ochechi nsemo ede achire no yemfa monko MPP amanyuku na tena ye na no fiada MPP amanyuku mpenimfo wa santemantama se yamamre ne amane a mranche ne maba waku bi a omo ebechi ne omayi mu ne nturo do ne ntwe asaso abonto ade am MPP amanyuku ne Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia omo epa hontuma ewu kumase abonte so na tichire ne de MPP amanyuku no wa santemantama Bernard Ntwibosi akon ya dodo na asarma ne se chairman wontumi de atugase kwan bia so afia bato no Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ne Dr. Matthew Puku Prempe kabom no mo asa agia konya no mo atena so de nhyehyɛ papa egu akwam amoman no afarentuma papa de efra owura Bernard Ntwibosi akon chairman wontumi ne nsem eni.
Education, can see the difference. The difference is clear. May God bless you. Now, Adia, Jemra do Chubaba again. Mr. Mufa media for Yama Wayan. But Abra was searching. Babina was searching. Now, I was some of us, former President Bahama, and then I'm the flag bearer. So we get debate. So who get debate? And also, I'm not for to be a woman.
Nti we ye titire ni de men pipi amanjuku no wa santemantema say ura Bernard Ntwibusi akon na yete ne nkan na honorable doctor Osaya Wadutwum abusua wono na chese mranche ne maba wakui okeka ne mesie ni ehwe ema womo eteye wo ye mrase adwani wo mrase adwafie ma de hye wo bosomhwe abaton pesua so saso ye soafo a o hye omaye enwomasua ehon nsensem wono soso no esi bibi kakra ekire domo a na etwehia ho no
school fees. That's an engine over to be shared. I grab away exams. The young ones is low. It's a way exams for Benny. I collect away exams. The two books are mano. And over to be a senior why I'm here. And near my wedding, near my yaya, open the more information say, there's a year, a year day. And then for our door and have one woman. Miniano, Mimamino, Miofano, one more society. Who said, another damn for the first time, now you're deputy minister, and then Dr. Mato Poku Prepare. Second term, the Bayer minister, with 12 my efficiency. But yeah, you are my woman, shall go do no, yeah, question. Now, Sunday, and then now America, because of Columbia University, the castle here. Abrofo bomb so original ho almost so bida police almost so and be mind bia commercial akuna ni sada na say ya boy say my operate there adensi and I am back yes yes it's brand materials so adia African Union Commissioner for Education
Observe nti we ye soafo show meye yangomasua ho nsensem saso mrase adwane a owo mrase adwafie ma de hye wo bosomtwe abaton pesua so no abo doctor Osaya Wadutwum ne yete ne nke wono na chese enam ne nsaso emamrante ne maba wakui wo matia omo ediba be campaign aboa Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Baumia afiyan fomo enkwa ho ne ne ho nsensem VR adwumayefo na entity abato Sompa FM ne Sompa television nsemtwefo apono so ene se omo aye na adwumayefo ne nsema omo kanyina ene se omo ntiase ne ntiase kina sempenimfo be omo adwene se bui ene nerku omo ediba be hye VRase no omo academy ensa nyina bom akwakoye adwumakro omo echese kobasa ekatwitwiri dia de eba beto omo so de bekwa wiase no na adwuma ne kra kwakogu no omo fi se we no eya banya nsakwa bia opeso faso na oton adwuma no de ma ankrankra no nti na ma aban no etusa na mo no adwumayefo ne nsamo a omo ede tu dwa kakra ni
going to let it go. The politicians are making every effort to take everything from the ordinary Ghanaians, and that is what we don't want it to happen.
That's all. When it comes to running hydro plants, we are actually the best if you check what we have in Africa, and we are the fourth in the world. When you check the EUCG utility cost group matrices, Frank, we are the best when it comes to unit availability and reliability. So we are saying that we are quite taken aback by, the decisions to pass these bills, because we are actually the best in what we do.
Observe nti we adwumayefo ni binom omo ye adwuma wo VRA Volta River Authority na yete wo mo enkana kosomboto na omo eyesa ɔyɛ kyerɛ wei ni nyinaa ɛyɛ ti a wɔn ntiaseɛ ɛne ya wɔn ne aban enya adwene sɛ wɔn ɛka bui VRA ne Nedco ebom koye adwuma baako yɛmfa mo entwa so Ghana Institute of Engineering for ɛna wɔn ayɛ amammerɛ ne amane a ɛbrantɛ ma ba wɔ bi no ma agentity awia ba bonten sɛ engineers se wɔn agye wɔn atumu na pani kwanchefo a wɔda Ghana Institute of Engineering ano ɛyɛ owura kwabena ɛyɛ bimpon wɔde atuga sɛ wɔn ɛba bonten aba bɛsum mayi no wɔn hwɛ sɛ wɔn anamontu wɔn su no wɔn ban ɛne adwuma wɔn ba bɛyɛ no ɛde nkanko ɛbɛbrɛ wɔn yi sense wɔn ɛbɛhwɛ wɔn butomu enkoa afutu a wɔde ɛmane wɔn ne
all responsibility that you take on today. We at the Ghana Institute of Engineering have always prided ourselves on fostering a spirit of excellence among our members, and I trust that you and new inductees will continue with this tradition. Engineering and national development in Ghana, like many other nations, is faced with the challenges of modernization, industrialization, and the need for resilient infrastructure.
Abzanfonti weye eye Ghana Institute of Engineering mpedimfo mra omo ya amamre ne amane no magye omo a omo ebeku no mfoforo atomu enono na afe yemfa mo enkonko wie ewo amana no rural bank omo atena ye na abzia se beye na eja omo besom omo customers no masom eye omo adwadifo ye ntino omo ediguma omo atudin se eye chese nkonta so hu omo ye adwuma afi bia awia omo ebu nkonta de eto bangrafo no shareholders ne omo no omo digwa no omo ebu nkonta de to omo ne adwuma omo aye na fimu no nyina so omo boka se omo enya mfaso honom na oba pani a oda bank na no se board chairperson ma me oheneyire Augustine na ose asare de ensem eto nsem anim se omo ye adwuma se sikakrabia no kwasibro ne kan so omo obibi a omo atudin so omo corporate social responsibility a bia omo ye adwuma no so no omo ehwese adehia ewo sa bia ni nyina no omo asetene mu ene bibi ha omo a ebetumpon ewo ho na de omo ye de efa ho no obobo so se de kire
say my customers and key stakeholders are new munyano shareholders and for instance AGM no ebia no mentimi maybe but almost stakeholder bank no tena say ye be any many so about the way a bank no esiti echo and then a holding any ebia mo akakra so ebi hia efi mo ahye enema mu kena ni nyina so na was I say ye adwu musika na ye ma loans so no mo no etwase community so hu fa so benya every the fact say binananom amaya asase yemfandi ejuma no eni nyina ye corporate social responsibility fire service food ebo ya baso wo ejuma ya bo mo so that nsu ya na ho de mo so be ejuma no ya bo mo matimi enya access
Abzanfonti weye ayoba pani a woda amano no rural banga no sebo chairperson oheneyire Augustine asare osei ena yete ne ka yegira we so na no pay ensemo a eye babo no de babeso mo no ye de mo siase ni asore amoman hina asaso atrase bio e de ade ache bi adwumadie ato amoso eye OCP Ghana Limited for mo de OCP fertilizer sabadwaso ne bo etamechia no pay e ma ba bia wo bia ni timi ba ye babeso mo wo fertilizer no wo mo ewo OCP NPK 10-2010 wodwaso na OCP NPK 15-15 wodwaso a emu bia wo de pete wonfudie so no eso doso ede amawa no pay kuku ne chinchin fidie ne ede ema miemidin ede nana ya abo amale bia boga adamase ema mumonitie ene hwa enyado
21st clinic